Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you the ways to get Temu items without inviting friends. So to get items on Temu without inviting friends or using the referral feature, what you need to do is, first thing, go ahead and make sure that your device is completely up to date. There are different ways of getting items without inviting friends or receiving gifts on Temu. The ways to do it so is by daily check-ins and participating in events and giveaway as well. And you can also check the gaming session of the Temu app. You can play games within the app. All are available options to accumulate credit and earn items as well. And likewise, if you continue shopping on Temu and you become a Plus member for Temu, you can get certain amount of free discounts or certain items on Temu. So that's how you can get Temu items without inviting friends. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.